If your kitchen feels cramped and your countertops are always full, this is exactly what you need. Today we're diving into smart kitchen gadgets designed specifically for tiny kitchens and small countertops. These picks don't just look good, they save space, speed up cooking, and make your setup feel cleaner and more efficient without adding clutter. From compact tools to multi-use essentials, everything here is built to do more with less space. Every product link is lined up for you in the description below. Just tap and check them out instantly. Kicking things off with a fun and creative kitchen upgrade, these homemade popsicle molds bring a refreshing twist to your tiny home setup. You can make your own ice pops using juices, fruits, or yogurt, giving you full control over flavors and ingredients. The full kit includes sticks, bags, reusable molds, and tools that make the process smooth and repeatable. Perfect for summer snacks or healthy alternatives without added cost. Compact, reusable, and enjoyable for all ages. Usually priced around $15 to $25. Now transitioning into everyday cooking, this scratch-resistant mini tadka pan is built for quick and precise tasks in compact kitchens. Whether you're frying eggs, heating spices, or melting butter, it handles small portions efficiently without using a large pan. The non-stick coating improves cooking performance and makes cleanup easier after use. Ideal for tiny homes where every utensil must be practical and versatile. It saves time, space, and effort in daily routines, usually priced around $20 to $35. Now, taking convenience to the next level, this soup maker machine simplifies cooking by combining multiple steps into one compact appliance. Just add your ingredients and it cooks, blends, and even cleans with minimal input. Built-in safety features like anti-dry burn and overfill protection make it reliable for daily use. Perfect for preparing soups, smoothies, or light meals quickly without constant supervision. A strong choice for busy lifestyles and smaller kitchens, usually priced around $80 to $150. Moving into smart meal prep, this chicken shredder tool removes the hassle of manually pulling meat apart. Simply place cooked chicken inside, close the lid, and twist to get evenly shredded pieces within seconds. The anti-slip base keeps it stable, while the ergonomic design makes handling comfortable. It's perfect for tacos, salads, sandwiches, or batch cooking. Fast, clean, and consistent results every time. A simple tool that saves effort in the kitchen, usually priced around $15 to $30. Now, keeping things practical, this Keychain bottle opener multi-tool packs multiple functions into one compact design you can carry anywhere. Along with opening bottles, it includes a wrench, screwdriver, ruler, and cord cutter for quick everyday fixes. Its lightweight build fits easily on your keys, making it useful at home, outdoors, or on the go. Instead of searching for tools, you always have one within reach. Reliable, compact, and built for convenience, usually priced around $10 to $20. Shifting into fresh juice convenience, this kitchen cast iron juicer delivers strong manual pressure for extracting every drop from lemons, oranges, and other citrus fruits. Its heavy-duty build ensures durability while giving you better juice yield compared to lightweight alternatives. No electricity needed, just simple, efficient pressing whenever you need it. Perfect for quick drinks, cooking prep, or healthy routines in compact kitchens. Easy to use, easy to clean, and built to last. Usually priced around $20 to $40. Moving forward with a smart kitchen helper, these wide-mouth, versatile canning funnels make transferring liquids and dry ingredients far easier and cleaner. With multiple spout sizes and included strainers, they adapt to bottles, jars, and bags without spills or mess. Perfect for cooking, meal prep, or storage tasks where precision matters. Instead of struggling with pouring, you get a smooth and controlled process every time. Compact, lightweight, and highly useful in daily routines, usually priced around $10 to $20. Stepping into a modern kitchen essential, this glass olive oil sprayer gives you better control over how much oil you use while cooking. Instead of pouring excess, it creates a fine mist that spreads evenly across pans, salads, or air fryer baskets. The dual-function design also works as a dispenser when needed, perfect for healthier cooking and reducing waste. Clean design, easy refill system, and consistent performance in daily use, usually priced around $15 to $25. And hey, if any of these caught your attention, all the product links are right there in the description below. Tap and check them out. Keeping prep work efficient, this onion holder for slicing helps you cut vegetables quickly while maintaining uniform slices. It holds the onion firmly in place, reducing slipping and improving safety during cutting. The evenly spaced prongs guide your knife for consistent results every time. Perfect for onions, tomatoes, and other vegetables used in daily cooking. It simplifies prep work while keeping your hands safer. Small tool, but very effective in the kitchen, usually priced around $10 to $20. Moving into compact cooking power, this mini rice cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or solo living setups. It handles rice, steaming, and warming functions with one-touch operation, making it easy to use daily. The automatic keep warm feature ensures your food stays ready without overcooking. Its small size saves space while still delivering reliable performance for meals. Great for quick cooking without needing multiple appliances. Simple, efficient, and highly practical. Usually priced around $30 to $60. Stepping into all-in-one kitchen efficiency, this Nest 9 Plus compact food preparation set combines multiple tools into one smart, space-saving system. You get mixing bowls, measuring cups, a sieve, and a colander, all designed to stack neatly together. Instead of cluttering your cabinets with separate items, everything stays organized in one compact unit. Perfect for small kitchens where storage is limited but functionality is still important. Clean design, easy storage, and highly practical for daily cooking routines. Usually priced around $40 to $70. Moving into a unique cooking solution, this Pizzazz Plus rotating oven delivers even heating without needing a traditional oven setup. The rotating tray ensures food cooks evenly from all sides, making it great for pizzas, snacks, and quick meals. It saves energy compared to full-size ovens while speeding up cooking time. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or anyone wanting a compact cooking alternative. Simple controls make it easy to use daily. Efficient cooking with a smart rotating design, usually priced around $60 to $100. Keeping things smooth and simple, this ice cream scoop is designed for effortless serving without straining your hand. The comfortable grip and solid build allow you to glide through frozen desserts, cookie dough, or even fruit with ease. It creates clean, round scoops every time, making serving faster and more consistent. Perfect for desserts at home or small gatherings. Durable, reliable, and easy to clean after use. A small tool that improves everyday convenience, usually priced around $10 to $20. Sliding into a smart prep upgrade, these herb scissors with multiple blades make cutting herbs faster and more efficient than using a knife. Instead of chopping repeatedly, you get evenly cut pieces in just a few snips. The included cleaning tool helps remove stuck herbs easily, keeping maintenance simple. Perfect for cilantro, lettuce, and other greens used in daily cooking. Compact design with a comfortable grip for better control. Speeds up prep work while reducing effort, usually priced around $10 to $20. Moving into a multifunctional outdoor and kitchen essential, this camping cutting board combines several tools into one collapsible design. It works as a chopping board, washing basket, and colander, making it extremely versatile for small spaces. The foldable structure saves storage space while still offering full functionality when needed. Perfect for camping, travel, or compact kitchens that need flexible tools. Durable, lightweight, and easy to carry anywhere. Smart design that adapts to multiple tasks easily, usually priced around $20 to $40. Shifting into bold cooking performance, this cast iron smashed burger press is built to deliver perfectly crispy, evenly cooked burgers every time. The heavy weight applies consistent pressure, helping create that signature seared crust while locking in flavor. It's not just for burgers either, it works great for bacon, sandwiches, and other grill items. The flat edge ensures full contact with the surface for better results. Durable, simple, and highly effective for everyday cooking, usually priced around $15 to $30. Moving into home baking essentials, this sourdough starter kit gives you everything needed to begin making fresh bread from scratch. It includes proofing baskets, a dough scraper, whisk, and scoring tools, all designed to simplify the baking process. Perfect for beginners or anyone looking to upgrade their bread making routine at home. It helps you create bakery-style loaves without complicated setups. A complete kit that turns your kitchen into a mini bakery, usually priced around $30 to $60. Closing out the lineup with a versatile cooking upgrade, this Panini press sandwich maker and indoor grill handles everything from toasted sandwiches to grilled meats with ease. The adjustable opening fits different thicknesses, while the locking lid keeps heat evenly distributed. It's perfect for quick meals without needing multiple appliances. Compact enough for small kitchens, but powerful enough for daily use. A reliable option for fast, hot, and evenly cooked food anytime. Usually priced around $40 to $80. And that's a wrap on these smart kitchen gadgets built for tiny kitchens and small countertops. Every item you saw today is designed to do more while using less, which is exactly what compact kitchens need. All the product links are ready for you in the description below. Just tap and explore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart finds and space-saving upgrades.